So the first thing you want to do is prep your skin based off on your skin type. For dry skin, I recommend any serums that really hydrate your skin, and for oily skin, it would be better to pick anything that doesn't make your skin look greasy and mattifies your oiliness. Then you go ahead and moisturize to hydrate your skin. For dry skin, you want to pick something that's gonna make you a little dewy. And for oily skin, I would recommend something that's still dewy, but make sure it just doesn't emphasize any greasiness. Now I'm going to set my oily areas with powder. For me, it's my forehead and my nose, and I am doing this before I apply any foundation. Speaking of foundation, I am going to apply a light layer in areas where my skin is uneven, so I'm not trying to apply this all over my face. I'm just trying to even my skin. Now I just use translucent powder to set my face, since this is a very light layer of powder. Then I am applying highlight wherever light hits my face. So this is going to be my upper cheekbones, it's going to be under my eyes, in my inner corner, and on the edge of my nose. Then I just add a subtle color to my eyes. Now to finish the look, I'm going to apply just one coat of mascara and then some blush mixed with powder to lighten up the blush. I'm also just adding that to my temples to add a slight color. This is the finished look, you guys. It's so pretty. It literally looks like you're glowing within.